today I'm going to take you around our new Protech Evo1S. It's one of the first S's in the country. The reason behind the S is the slew mechanism that we've helped design with Protech. I say help design, we kind of just rang up occasionally and talked to them a little bit about it all, but it's mainly Steve over there and Andy that put this together for us because we really needed a 3.5 ton towing machine that could get into kind of tight corners and look gardens and things that we experience down here in kind of Dorset, Somerset and Wiltshire where we fence. So I'll give you a quick walk around. I've got my cameraman Jared with me. And so at the front of the machine we have these expandable racks which are very useful, so we can actually put other strains in. Today we're clearing a fence line to put some horse wire up, so we're taking the old fence post down, and it's great that we've got this other bay that we can put stuff in, so that's really useful. They just fold in for transport and then just come out with 2 pins underneath. So this is the engine bay of the machine. It's a little 4-cylinder engine. It's I think about 50-60 horsepower, and it's up here out of the way and counterbalancing the actual knocking system at the back of it. It's hopefully a super reliable little unit. They're using a mixture of hydraulics, so some low pressure systems feeding a high pressure system, and it makes it very responsive and very easy to control, which is great because you actually work off the side of the machine, you're not sat on it, or so you've got to make sure it works well so it doesn't actually run you over. Good things. So in the middle of the machine you have a bay, and if people know this model, all you fencing fans of the Evo1, you can see this is a much reduced bay to what you would have on a standard model. The reason for this is because we have the slew behind, but in our opinion it is a compromise worth making because we've always got a kind of trailer or a truck nearby that we can kind of send out materials to this machine and keep it going. So we're happy to have that for the added slew at the back here. So if I get Jared to come on over, and this is the slew ring here that they've incorporated into the design. It's a very good slew ring compared to, we've got obviously other machines out there, and our other machine doesn't have such a strong turning mechanism, which I believe they've corrected now, doing a similar process to what this is. And this will slew all the way around to about 120 degrees, which is over here somewhere, and that will allow us access into tight corners, over ditches, in areas where we ordinarily wouldn't have been able to get one of these machines to, which is very important for us because of the nature of our work down here can be tight and fiddly on smaller kind of estates and gardens and so forth. So that was really important for us to have. The other reason that it's great is because we can have weight transfer of all of this for only part of the machine up to here. So going across steep ground or difficult gradients, we can move this around, and it just helps make the machine far safer for us, which we obviously like. So moving around to the back, we're going to do a bit of post knocking in a minute. So this is why we're up against the back of this water trough, but this is the main control box. So this has your hour meter, has obviously your starting keys, has your rev counter, an electronic throttle, and then you have your tortoise and hare for your 1 and 2 speeds. So what I'll do now is I'll switch her on and we'll get over the business side of things, and I can show you what she can do. So as you can tell, I've now got my PPE on. I will be putting my earmuffs on in a minute when we're knocking things in, so I don't want to be deaf by the time I'm 60. So Derek comes over here, he can see the controls. So up here on our arm, we chose to have the actual control panel mounted on the side of the machine rather than the back, which is the standard model on the Evo. The reason for it is ergonomics for us, because we're going to go heading this way with the machine. We want our stakes that way, and we don't have to move around a lot because I want my knees to last past 60. So that's why we went for it. Also, the other reason that other Evo owners might have the controls at the back is there's the risk of the machine going over on them, and that is a risk obviously we've got to be considerate about. But because we've got this gap in the machine now between the bay and where the operator stands, if the machine were to go over, we're very much hopeful that the operator can get out of the way and we'll be in a safe place on this side. So it's an important fact to note that the only reason we really have it here is the consideration of ergonomics and safety, and it works for us. So far, so good. So okay, so if I show you the control panel, what we've got. So obviously we've got our slew arm here, and we'll give you a little demonstration on that in a bit. We have our tele arm, which puts the machine out and in. So that goes that way. There's the mast slide tilt. So obviously that brings us this way and that way. There's the mast forward tilt, which obviously goes outwards and inwards. We obviously have a rock spike on the back of the machine that can swing over under the actual the plates, and then we can knock that into the ground all the way down, probably 3 to 4 foot in high heavy conditions. That really helps us out on top ground. Obviously the rear leg, and that just puts the support down to from the actual pushing mechanism to the floor and helps keep the machine all very stable. So very important we use that one. Lastly, we have a telemast on the system. So this puts us up for when we're doing deer fencing or any other tall posts. We have a really good extension. We can bring it all the way up there, and obviously it gives us that much more hitting force from the 300 kg weight back down onto the plate. So yeah, very good addition to that. So what we'll do, we'll start from right here today. And lastly, we have our actual mechanisms for moving the machine. So if I just bring the leg up a little bit. There we go. And just move her forward, and that gives us this way. So it's pretty nifty, and not done on the rams, just done by control. And to be honest, my father really likes this because he controls it all through this, and he uses kind of very little much of any of the telearm or that. He finds us quicker. So once you get into position, use your level, hit your parking brake, which is here, makes your emergency off, and then we're ready to knock in. So I'll just put my earmuffs on and get my level out. Okay, so we looked in the post. I can just show you a few functions of this. So the nearest one we got to us with the dead man lever is obviously our weight. So up and then down she goes. You can put it down onto the plate. Overall, from Protech, we've been very impressed with their customer service. It's great to have a company that you can speak to about your needs and demands, and they try and marry up what they want to do for you, really. So we knew we wanted this kind of smooth system put on a machine that was pro turbo, and to be able to have it, it's already proven its worth. We've put it through a few contracts, and it's just proved really useful for that sake that you just wouldn't be able to get in. You can get it with this machine, and that might just save you 15 minutes, you know, instead of digging it out and putting it in. But those 15 minutes over hopefully 10 years we'll have this machine with us at Perrett Fencing will really add up, and we're very proud that, you know, we've got it in our fleet now. We're going to look after it, hopefully, you know, have some more development onto the machine. We're going to add some counterbalance weights in the future. We've got some tractor weights at home that will counteract this weight over on really steep ground. And also we've got wire dispensers that go on the machine to make it like a one-pass system, which is our, you know, a true ambition at Perrett Fencing. If we can get to a one-pass system by using track vehicle to hold the wire and all the stakes and materials, then I think that's a very positive thing, because we obviously as fencers want to be efficient, we want to get round fields and get the fencing up as quickly as possible. And in my belief that by doing that as a one-pass, and by having a machine there that carries everything for you, which is your workhorse really, then hopefully we can put it up pretty cheaply for our customers too, and it'll be very competitive. Hopefully, you know, pay for another one of these, you never know. But thank you for watching, and yeah, if you want to know anything else, just give me a call, or just find us on our website, which is www.perrettfencing.co.uk, or go onto our Facebook page, which is Facebook.com/Perrett Fencing, and give us a like on there, and, you know, ask any questions you want to know, and I'll try and answer them as honestly as I can.